Hi! Welcome to our vlog. Today we're on a cruise on a last day to explore a room tour. Here's the card to open it. You do it like this. Okay? Next I'm gonna show you my room. Wahoo! Then you turn right. And the sign from the stateroom's numbers. And we just have to find the number. The card on my number got washed off. That's why I still remember. It's 12, 5, 3, 1. Okay, you got the number now. Now look how I open it. Now I'm gonna show you the tour of our room. Yeah. Keep it a surprise. Here's the dining table where we eat. Nice, right? And here's the coffee machine. Here's when I call the other staterooms. Pretzel sticks, sour cream, and onion. This is another table which my dad sometimes mostly uses for his computer, but you can still live with that. This is where my uncle sleeps now since I like going up there. Over here, right over there. Next, I'll show you the restrooms. The toilet, sink, hand soap and lotion, shower, towel, which you actually don't need to know, and tissue, which you still also don't need to know. Swimming suit and glass. The last thing you don't need to know about here. Let's go to the other bathroom. Usually I like this one because I can see myself. And here's the toilet, shower, you don't need to know, towel, of course, sink, not that popular, and the soap. Now the closet. Start with it since it's close. Okay. Now, open. But here's where you put your stuff, I think. And here, lastly, a 1 right here, a 2 Over here are 3 clothes. Back to a 2. Back to a 1. Nothing. Back to a 3. And 2, 4. I'll show you the final closets to move on. A 3s. A 3, a hanger book. You can look. Look. Next, final closets. Over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and let's move on to the last closet I didn't even open when I even started. Bag, chinelas, 2 high heels, 1 bag, 2 bag, 1 jacket, and 1 closed object. Finally, the mini ones. Wahoo! Wahoo! Huh? Wahoo! Okay, that hurts. Wahoo! Ooh. Wahoo! Wow! Huh? Oh, you didn't see them. 1, 2, 3, and a 4, a 5, a 6. And finally, we gotta show you our rooms. Trash. First up, we have a double deck bed, which you can call a double stair bed. If you want to. Good dreams. Let me cover you with a blanket. First one. You can only fall this way, but it's less harmful. Second bed. This one has a much less chance of falling. Unless you sleep that way. Not way. When you're here, you're safe. Except when you're a boo goo 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 gaga gaga. Share with the table. Last thing you can eat with. On. Time to close the second. Towels you don't need to mind. Cherries. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum. No cover. And a bag, a computer. TV, no sense. Chair where my uncle sleeps. Luggage. Mommy, you're not minding about me anyway. The rocket, not a rocket. Banana gun. Ready, sweat. Go. Orange. Dirty now. The last and not least, booger bed. Green bed. You can use this to fight. Wahoo! Zero! Yahoo! Mommy, remember my birthday? Where is the other one of this? I don't see it. This is just like when I battled when you do this, right? In my 6th birthday. Oh, never mind about that. Here, water. Want to get wet? Oh yeah, Baba. Sorry. Last but not least, Rash Venture. Da 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 da.